Hi guys, quick note from, this is Stephanie. Does your refrigerator look like this? It probably doesn't. But Steve and I really do love magnets. We pick one up whenever we stay overnight in a state. So this is our first year. And of course we've made some other travels and we've got other magnets. It's more fun in the camper because they stick to my Samsung refrigerator. They don't at home. So that's that. But the reason for this video is because I didn't know if any of you were aware, it is middle of summer, July, or beginning of July, and back to school stuff at Target has started. And one of the things that they have are these tiny little things for lockers. And they're all magnetic. And this is a photo holder that I got, and I'm using it to hold my stickers at the moment and some of my important business cards that I picked up at the rally. And this was one of the things that came with it, a little fake plant. I can't tell you how adorable it is. A little memo board, and I don't know what the mirror is. I just stuck it up there. And one of the things I also had was a kit that had a little box on a magnet with a dry erase marker. You get the idea. $5 for all of this. How much fun is that? So yeah, back to school supplies. Who knew I'd still be buying that stuff? My youngest is 21 years old. Have a good day, okay, my friends?